What is the difference between an air purifier and humidifier? Air purifier. Air purifiers work by pulling in dirty air and passing it through filters that capture pollutants. Humidifier. Humidifiers can also help relieve congestion and coughing caused by dry sinuses. For difference between an air purifier and humidifier. Number 1. Purifiers remove allergens, bacteria, and other pollutants from the air. Humidifiers add moisture to the air to help relieve congestion and other respiratory problems. Number 2. Air purifiers can be used to treat allergies or asthma, while humidifiers can help prevent colds and flu. Number 3. Air purifiers are typically used in dry climates to add moisture to the air. Humidifiers are used in moist climates to remove excess moisture from the air. Number 4. An air purifier removes contaminants from the air. A humidifier adds moisture to the air. Usage of air purifier and humidifier. Air purifiers remove allergens, dust, smoke, and other particles from the air. Humidifiers increase the humidity in a room by adding moisture to the air.